DJT Stock Analysis. Is it a buy? This is next week and onward. Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Sitting with Trump Media at around 23.06. It's a great price. I mean, we're just 2% down, but it's a great bearish trend. I mean, I'm not going to go further than that, because if I check it from here, you're going to see that it's been going down and then started shifting. And with DJT, I don't know if it's under DJT or is it going to be DWAC, but whatever. Started having some crazy, good, beautiful, bullish perspectives. It's not this. Now okay, my bad, it's mistake. But the only case in which this is going to be a bullish market, it's honestly just going to be if it starts breaking above 29.46. If it starts breaking above that, only then I'll take higher. Anything else, complete noise. Guess what? I would not be interested into it. So I'll definitely keep you updated. Because trying to short this thing here, I mean, obviously it could work, but in situations like this, I'm just not it for me. All reviews are 5 stars. If you want to check out the free course, check the first link in the description.